Space is such an interesting topic. Humanity has looked up to the night skies and seen hundreds of stars and galaxies. But we are known for asking questions. In this case, we asked how these bright objects got here. Along with that, are we alone? How is it going to end? These questions will be answered in this short video. Let's start from the beginning. Before the universe was created, there was no matter, no energy, nothing. We don't know how that would have looked. The science behind creation and the Big Bang, which is the known start of the universe, is a debated topic among us, with many theories around. We mixed all of these theories together to provide you a more oversimplified version of events. Something triggers the Big Bang, which is a big explosion. I can assume this explosion was a lot bigger than a hydrogen bomb, because this explosion created matter, energy, the laws of science, etc. One of these laws is that energy can't be created or destroyed, but transferred from one object to another. Now think of all that energy in the universe, which is a lot. It all came from this big explosion. The space that was once quiet is now littered with matter and energy. The universe has been formed. Along with the concepts of time, space, matter, there are also small bits of energy called quarks. Quarks would later join to create protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons will create the elements including hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium will create stars. When stars get too old and use up all their fuel, they will explode, causing their remains to scatter around the area they were once in. This area would end up being the birthplace of another star. The star explosion would also create lots of elements and other stuff like rock. These pieces of rock would end up creating planets. Now, I can't help but include the story of how we got here and the beginning of Earth into this video. When the Earth was created, the conditions were similar to Venus, until a meteor hits this planet. This meteor ended up creating the moon, which orbited around the hot planet. Over time, pieces of the broken meteor would come down to hit Earth. These rocks may have been partially made of water. When water hits a hot surface, it becomes steam. This steam became clouds and dropped more water, therefore cooling down the Earth. Soon we have oceans of water, and then there will be a couple pieces of land. Boom! After a couple billion years of continents breaking up, we have a map of today's world. Now, let's talk about the chances of alien life. First, let's look at our own history, which I just covered. Meteor with water hits a hot planet, life started in the ocean. When there was food on the land, we evolved to get that food. The chances of another planet out there who faced similar conditions to what we had is low, but not zero. But the chances of aliens looking humanoid are lower. So Hollywood can go and read a book on how to design aliens. Now, let's talk about the end of both Earth and the universe. If we ignore the threat of nuclear bombs or climate change, then our supposed end would be from the sun. The sun, like all stars, would run out of fuel. It would explode, go supernova. First, it will swell up, taking Mercury, Venus, and Earth with her. Then it will explode, or shrink into a white dwarf. The theory will probably happen 7 billion years from now. Eventually, all stars will die. Those that don't will turn into black holes. Eventually, black holes would also fade away. Once the black hole collapses, the universe will be cooling itself down, reaching the same temperature as it did before the Big Bang. Absolute zero. As the poet T.S. Eliot once said in his poem, The Hollow Man, the universe will end in not a bang, but a whimper. Thank you guys for watching such a short but deep video. This was an interesting topic to research and present. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Put your comments in the comment section. Maybe suggest to us what topic we should cover next. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you next time.